Don't do the refund advance. I get it. Times are tight. You've been waiting on this money or something has come up and you need this money. I have been there. I know what that's like. But here's the thing. You're basically paying so much. If you're getting a tax refund and they're charging you $300 to advance your money, it's basically interest on the loan. So it's just as bad as a payday loan. Like, it's crazy, the interest. It's a lot of money. What could you do with that $300? A lot. So if you can, unless it's just like dire, and remember that a lot of things that we think are dire are not dire, that it can wait for the time it will take for them to electronically deposit that money in your account. You can wait. You don't have to get it same day. So just remember, don't be moved by emotion or the fact that you can get it now and you want it now. Think about your long term, because $300 is a lot of money. And that's something that'll pay a bill or buy something for yourself or put into your emergency fund. So don't do the refund advance. It's such a ripoff.